Hey y'all, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to be doing the half knotless, half lemonade style on my client today. I already installed some of the knotless in the back, as you can see. This is the inspo pic that we are going to be creating. I don't have the original braider's information so that I can give her credit. Sorry about that. But here I'm just going to show you all how I do the knotless braid. Yeah, I speeded up a little bit because I didn't want the video to be too long, but don't worry, if you need help, I will have an in-depth video coming up also that's slow down and beginner friendly for how to install the knotless braid. So I parted out her cornrows in the front before I even started with the knotless in the back. I'm going to show that in a little bit. And so what you want to do is you have one side of the head where the cornrows is going to go. Then on the other side in the front, half of that is going to be knotless, and then it's going to be cornrows on the other side. I'll show that more in depth in just a little bit. If you have not already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you can join the family. I will have more videos where I'm teaching more and showing more on how to install braids. So just be sure to subscribe and like the video. So on this side, I'm just showing how I am lining up the rows with the back, the rows in the front here with the back, because this is the side that I'm going to be doing her knotless braids on. And with this style, I've learned that you want to kind of make this side where you're doing the knotless in the front, you want to make that kind of as full as you can, so that once your cornrows lay over it, it doesn't look so spaced out, because don't nobody want that. I also recommend making sure you have you a good sharp comb. This one here I got from the Ordinary Braider. She's on Instagram. I really like her combs. Hers is pretty much the only one I use to part. A quick little parting tip. So when you're doing bricklayer, that's where the braids lay in between the parts. So there's not a lot of spacing. You want to make sure that your part for your block is laying in the middle of the braid below it. I'm hoping that makes sense, but if not, don't worry. I have a parting how to part ebook along with and how to install a knotless braid ebook, also available with links to video tutorials on different parting methods, on different ways to install a knotless braid. So if you're interested in that, I do have it on sale. It is currently on sale for $20. There's a link. It's going to be in the description box. You can click on that and get my ebook. It also comes with my product list, the different products I use, braiding hair, little tips and tricks for getting your braids neat. And it comes with the 2 links to the video tutorials. So all of that, and you get it for $20, and you have a lifetime access to it. So if you want to check it out, it's in the link in the description box. Do I have any beginner braiders that's watching the video? If you're a beginner braider, or you're thinking about like venturing out into braiding for the public, just let me know. Leave me a comment down in the comment section. So here in the front, we are doing stitch braids. I already completed her other side. Y'all, one thing about recording and braiding, like, it definitely makes the time longer, which I'm okay with that, because I like to record and kind of just share things that I know. But baby, does it make the time go by long? It took me longer than normal to do her hair. But anyway, we're going to be doing stitch braids in the front. Now, I'm a knotless girly. I can braid knotless braids in my sleep. Stitch braids, those are something that I'm still working on. I'm not a master at it, I will say that. So it takes me a while to do the stitch braids, and anyway. But I'm just going to show me starting it here, and then I'm going to speed up the video a little bit, because we'll be here all day waiting on me to show you that one. So I'm just going to start the braid, and you all can watch it. All right, y'all, we almost done. This little client, she had my back hurt and I had to keep pushing her head up. But that's my niece, so I can say that. But we almost done. And here is the finished look. I think it came out really cute. Especially being that, like, I don't do stitch braids all the time. So it came out cute. She didn't want the boho pieces. We went with the beads instead. And it's a nice little cute style for her. I want to thank y'all so much for watching. If you like the video, please like it, comment, subscribe, share it with somebody. Y'all stay tuned. I'm going to have videos coming out now every Sunday and Wednesday. So be on the lookout for that. Thank y'all so much again for watching. And I'm going to catch y'all in my next one. Bye.